Yeah, today is the 5th day, and I've not received any mortality. It has not died today. So we have lost 7 chicks in the process. So today is our 5th day, and this 5th day, I think we shall not lose any chicks. We shall not lose any chick again, inshallah, bi'idhnillah. So I'm very proud of Kuku Chicks Uganda, because 7 chicks from 254, because they give extra 4. So I'm remaining with 248. So I mean 247, eh? Yeah. So the birds are very okay, very active. Wow. See the way they are running around, feeding and drinking water mixed with antibiotics and amprolium to prevent coccidiosis and to prevent other diseases like CRDs, chronic respiratory diseases. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. This is Hamza Chicken's Farm, Uganda. Okay, thank you. God bless you all. بارك الله فيكم وجزاكم الله خيرا في دنيا والآخرة. السلام عليكم.